Hello everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. My name is Sakshi and we are going to discuss daily current affairs as on 22nd August 2020. So before beginning, I would like to tell you, if you are a defense aspirant and preparing for defense examinations, SSB Crack is best for you. It is a one-stop solution for all the major defense related exams like NDA, CDS, AFCAT and Territorial Army. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also download our mobile app SSB Crack Exams from Google Play Store. So let's start with the question of the day. And the last day I asked you what are the key features of Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana, and I really appreciate your answers. Now Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana, it is a traditional farming improvement program. See, by the name you can easily guess it is Paramparagat in Hindi, and in English it is translated as traditional farming. So basically they are promoting and supporting the organic farming, thereby improving the soil health. Improving the soil health through Paramparagat Krishi, traditional farming techniques. So Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana, it is promoting farming through adoption of organic villages by cluster approach. Through this Yojana, they are using the cluster approach and PGS, Participatory Guarantee System. It is basically a decentralized organic farming certification system in India. Now, under this, 50 or more farmers, I told you the cluster, no? 50 or more farmers, they form a cluster and they have 50-acre land to take the organic farming. And the producers will be pesticide residue free. Of course, as it is organic farming, it will contribute in improving the health of the consumer ultimately. Ultimate aim is the health of the consumer. Now moving ahead to the first important update that we have today. It is very important if you are preparing for AFCAT and INET. These type of questions, very direct questions related to the sports in India, are always there. So National Sports Award 2020, they are announced. Let me tell you some basic information about these awards. So under this, the following are the awards which are given. See, first one is very famous, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. It is given for the spectacular and most outstanding performance in the field of sports by a sports person over a period of 4 years. It is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The second is Arjuna Award. It is given for the consistent outstanding performance for 4 years. Dronacharya Award goes to the coaches for producing medal winners in prestigious international sports events, and Dhyan Chandra Award is given for the lifetime contribution in the sport development. And apart from this, there are other several awards as well, including the Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar. It is basically given to the corporate entities, including the public and the private both, and individuals who have played a vital role in the areas of sports promotion, development, etc. Let me show you the list of awards. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, it is given to Rohit Sharma in the field of cricket, Shri Mariyappan T in the field of para athletics, Manika Batra for table tennis, Vinesh for wrestling, and Rani for hockey. So these are the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna awardees. And this is the list for the Dronacharya Award for lifetime category, and you can see the list here, right here. And this is the list of Dronacharya Award for regular category. It is basically given in 2 categories, and these are the awardees. And if you want to see the complete list of awardees, including the Arjuna Award and every award given under the National Sports Award, please download our PDF file. The complete study material for this particular session is given in the PDF format there. Please go to the website or download a mobile app. There you will find the study materials for this particular current affairs, and there you can see the entire list. Now let's move ahead with the next important update, National Strategy for Financial Education 2020 to 2025. So this was released by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, as Central Bank of India. It is basically a document for creating financially aware and empowered India. RBI basically releases this national strategy for every 5 years, and it is the second NSFE national strategy for financial education. The first one was being released in the year 2013. This particular strategy was prepared with consultation with several stakeholders in the financial sectors like RBI, SEBI, IRDIA, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, etc. And basically it was prepared by National Center for Financial Education, in consultation with these major financial stakeholders. So let's see what are the key recommendations under the National Strategy for Financial Education 2020-2025. So the first and the foremost thing and the major key recommendation is the adoption of 5C. These 5C are content, capacity, community, and this is the approach to achieve the financial well-being of Indians. It also recommended that there should be updation of financial literacy content in the for the school children's. Along with that, the courses like B.Ed or M.Ed, they should include the financial education and training related to the same for the teachers and educators. The recommendation also includes the robust monitoring and evaluation framework for the monitoring and the evaluation of the national strategy. And also there should be development of a financial literacy mobile app and leverage social media. So these are the key recommendations under National Financial Strategy for Financial Education. Now moving ahead to the next important update, Madhya Pradesh, it is going to be the first state to adopt NRA. So basically, MP will be the first state to offer jobs based on the scores which will be secured under the CET, which comes under the NRA. So in the previous session, we have already discussed about NRA and CET, so we do not need to discuss it now. So the important thing is Madhya Pradesh is going to become the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shivraj Singh Chauhan ji. He has announced that Madhya Pradesh is going to conduct all the government examination under the CET. So earlier, Madhya Pradesh has also announced the intention to reserve the seats for the all state government jobs for the people of the state, for the local of the state. That also we have covered in the previous sessions. Okay, so now let's move ahead. The unemployment benefit for ESI workers, it is raised. So the Employees State Insurance Corporation, ESIC, it has declared some relaxation in the norms. What are the relaxation? That it will be offering 50% of the salary for 3 months as unemployment allowance to the workers which are covered under ESIC. So this step is taken as due to the COVID-19, many people have lost their jobs. So the people who lost their jobs between March 24 to December 31, they will be benefited under this. So around 40 lakh workers across several sectors, they will be benefited. So all of this is happening under what? It is happening under Atal Vimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana. So ESIC, it is implementing this Yojana under the unemployment benefit programs. So under this, unemployment benefit is paid to the workers which are covered under ESIC scheme, right? Under this, it offers cash compensation of 25% of the average per day earned to insured person whenever they are facing the unemployment problem. The scheme is now extended for 1 more year up to 30th June till next year. And also it has relaxed the eligibility criteria and payment enhancement under this particular scheme. Now the next important update is Harit Path. It is a mobile app. It was launched by our Union Minister Nitin Gadkari ji. So it is developed by National Highways Authority of India, NHAI, which is a PSU public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Road and Transport. So it was launched. The name of the mobile app is Harit Path. So objective of this particular app is to facilitate creation of green highway across the country. Let's discuss the features. So the app, it is going to be used to monitor the location, growth, species detail, maintenance activities, targets, achievement of each PSU's fields unit by every plant under the highway plantation projects. There are several highway plantation projects, and this particular app is going to monitor everything related to the plantations. So the photographs of the plants are to be uploaded every 3 months so that they can see the growth of the plant and they can analyze the growth of the plants. Also, NHIA is implementing Harit Bharat Sankalp. It is a national-wide plantation drive by National Highway Authority of India. Under this, they have planted over 25 lakh plants in 25 days along the stretches of national highway across the country. So this is another component of Harit Path mobile app. Now moving ahead to the next important update about the current COVID-19 situation in India. So as per 22nd August today, the total cases are 29,75,701. The recovered cases are now 75% of the total cases, that is 22,22,577. The active cases are 23.4%, which are 6,97,330, and deaths are now only 1.9%. Which is 55,794. And here in this particular chart, you can see the state-wise data and analysis. The state cases highest, recovered, active, and deaths in these particular states. Now, guys, it is time for quiz. Try to answer these questions. So the first question is: Arjuna Award is given for consistent outstanding performance for 1 year, 10 year, 5 year, or 4 years. So the correct answer for this is for 4 years. Also, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is also for 4 years. Now the next question is: Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2020 is given to A. Rohit Sharma, B. Mariappan T, C. Manik Batra, and D. all of the above. So the correct answer for this is all of the above. All these three have received the 2020 Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Now the next question is National Strategy for Financial Education 2020-2025. It was released by SEBI, SIDBI, RBI, or RRB. So it was released by Reserve Bank of India. Now guys, it is time for question of the day. So the question for you is: what is Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program? Try to answer this question in the comment section. We'll discuss everything in detail about this particular question in the next session. Till then, work hard. I'll see you soon. Jai Hind.